Welcome, Jesters. I made the video yesterday about pharmacy deserts and how they're not a thing, and food deserts and how they're not a thing. But I later realized that, or maybe I should have made this point during the video, is that the whole pharmacy desert thing is actually just big pharma propaganda. And whoever these researchers are that are trying to push this notion and in some sort of like equality thing or, poverty thing or disadvantages thing. No, they're actually just big pharma shills. Who has the most interest in having pharmacies on every corner? Pharmacies that likely accept Medicaid, food stamps, Medicare, and whatever government assistance program. Big pharma, yes, those are the ones that stand to benefit from all of this, right? There's not a pharmacy desert. It's not difficult to get to a pharmacy. I mentioned that if people somehow get to Walmart to spend their food stamps. Walmarts have pharmacies, right? So this is not a thing. It's just big pharma propaganda. But then I thought about it a little bit more, and I realized that we probably should have pharmacy deserts. In fact, we should probably have food deserts as well, because both are, for a lot of people, way too available. Okay, hear me out. We are as a society, on too many drugs. And I don't mean the illegal kind, right? I actually just mean pharmacological concoctions, right? People are, addicted to prescribed, readily overprescribed, things like SSRIs, Ozempic, Adderall, statins, sleep medications, all this kind of stuff to just correct things about themselves that, quite frankly, I think can be corrected from within. Just by diets, lifestyle. Yes, the food you eat makes a huge difference. I know this personally. Going outside, yes, the whole touching grass thing, that is a real thing. It is very, very important. Having a hobby, something that you're passionate about. Having friends, family, right? Not becoming estranged from the people that were once close to you. Learning how to deal with life. We are experiencing the participation trophy generation, and it is not pretty. All of these things can be corrected, quite frankly, by just, being a little stern about it. Making people make better choices, or at least not accepting bad choices. Not enabling bad choices. Kind of forcing people, because we love them, to make themselves better. And a lot of a lot of the pharmacy needs will go away. And hopefully pharmacy deserts will just develop naturally because, they won't be in business anymore. But this also goes for food deserts. Yes, there should be food deserts because what we're all seeing is too many people have too much access to food. And it's really as simple as that. And I know it's kind of a joke or a meme these days. Why are all the EBT recipients obese? Well, that's a legitimate question. Maybe there should be food deserts. Maybe food should be a little bit harder to get. They'll still get it, right? You could still get, your daily necessary calories, but maybe it shouldn't be so accessible. Maybe that extra little effort will make people think about, what they're actually going to get. Right? Making them actually walk to the food store or something like that probably would be pretty healthy for them. Or maybe make them ride the bike or even take the bus. Right? Because they have to stay mobile to get the food. Well, they're going to have to stay mobile to get the food. You know where I'm going with this? Okay, yeah, so I'm actually in favor of making food a little bit more. I'm not that heartless. Okay, maybe a little bit more difficult to get. The memes just write themselves, and these people are not doing themselves any favors by posting TikToks of using food stamps to buy soda and ho-hos and Twinkies and whatever it else is they are buying. I am sure that everybody I'm sure our friends on the left, especially in the Democrat Party, are cringing at every one of these TikToks, just really wishing that they would stop it because they're really, really hurting their case. And I'm right.